everyone. So today I'm doing my homework, of course, but some of you don't care, some of you care. But on my side, I'm just doing my homework. So today is have a statement to debate. It is difficult to communicate with each other when we work at home. It's just depending on people if they like it or not, or if they're comfortable or not. Also, if where they live, if that is logical enough. But rather than that, people can just call some people on their phone. Like, it's easy. Just take out your phone and done. If you have something to question, then you can just question them on the phone. And if you're even lucky enough, then 1% of the life, your partner or your coworker can live next to your house or be your neighbor or be your best friend, because we know more. And side by that, we could also sometimes company just face to face on the computer, just looking at the project and if it writes or not. Now to my bedside is, well, it's kind of like an online class, so nothing happened. And all it is happened is that people just only look at the project, so nothing important. Some people answer, some people don't, some people didn't even notice. If that is in my brain now. So, but I think working in an office counts because it's like, well, office have much more space, comfortable, easy, nice chair if we don't have one. But also, it's like, if we have an office, if some building have an office for some people, then I'll probably think it would be nice because we can tell somebody that's working there without having to know who to call someone, even though they don't pick up. Then that is sad. And for my logical brain here, I think working at home is much more comfy because it's just that introverted person just like the way it is. I mean, like, that count because they like to live at home. They don't want the people to interrupt, and especially they don't want people to look at, which is very uncomfortable, and why people would do that. And also, side by that, if some people don't want to pay another people to take care of their pets, especially like small animals. Sometimes they need to know everything. They have to tell everything if they have an allergy or something. I think so. And what they like, what they don't, and what they should feed them, all of those information. Sometimes people are just too lazy to tell that to people. And sometimes people can went to Lulu, probably laugh, and we have to tell them all over again, which is not fun. And also, working at home, we can do anything because by that we can do anytime that we want. For some company or some work, there's some in free time. And sometimes work at home, it just felt more quicker, It's like it ended very quickly. What at work is not, because it's like Well, why would you even do that? Well, at work it's kind of like we work, but it felt like a long term of time, felt like a year. Even though if it's very boring, then yeah. Sometimes it's just 1 hour, but it felt like 2 years have passed and a bond's about to turning to ashes, if that counts. But for my kind of answer, it's kind of like neither. It just depends on people if they like it or not. So I don't know. I don't really know. So I have a great day.